Are you clueless about NFTs? Still wondering what is the blockchain? And maybe you are still not sure what Bitcoin actually is. Or you've heard of DeFi and still don't fully understand it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this 1.5-hour Zoom webinar special, we will help you get up to speed on all of those topics. We will show you what they all mean and how you can benefit from this massive shift in wealth. We will discuss a range of topics from the history of cryptocurrencies and bring you right up to date. We'll help you demystify NFTs, the latest blockchain technology that has come into our world and is revolutionizing how money can be made on the internet. Join our new and exciting Crypto Sundays from Ether9 TV, sponsored by Prosperity Partner, the only global partner that pays a minimum reward of 5% per quarter. Our first show is at 5 p.m. Sunday, the 24th of October 2021. Please click on the Zoom registration link below, and we'll see you at the webinar.